Hi, I'm John Norman. In this video, we're going to be talking about high-rise firefighting, focusing on office building fires. We can't talk about fighting high-rise fires without mentioning the knowledge gained in New York City on September 11th, 2001. In terms of high-rise firefighting, September 11th was a watershed event with 8 very serious high-rise fires that reconfirmed much of what we knew, plus taught us many new lessons. These lessons are crucial to all firefighters who respond to any buildings taller than 6 stories, since at that point, most building codes require the construction and fire protection features that are hallmarks of high-rise office buildings. Fires in high-rise office buildings are far different from any other fire you have ever fought before. Fighting fires in these buildings requires special tactics and equipment, such as 1-hour SCBA cylinders, 2.5-inch hose, and solid tip nozzles, and other such items that must be prepared in advance of the fire. A building doesn't have to be 30, 40, or 50 stories tall to be considered a high-rise. Any fire-resistant building that exceeds the length of the available ladders, or buildings in which all firefighting must be done from the interior because of a lack of windows, will require the same strategies used in tall high-rises. High-rises service hospitals, hotels, apartments, and offices, typical high life hazard situations. Although architects try to solve high-rise fire problems by using fire-resistant construction, vertical enclosures, and compartmentation, the building's occupants are the weak link in the chain of fire safety. Look at any office or living space. It is filled with partitions, desks and chairs, cabinets and tables, wall coverings, ceiling tiles, curtains and carpets, office supplies, electronics, all kinds of fuel for a fire. When faced with a possible fire at any high-rise building, these basic strategies apply. First, determine the specific fire floor. You may have only received general information, such as smoke reported on the 6th, 7th, and 8th floors, so finding the seat of the fire may take some time. I once arrived as part of the first alarm assignment to New York's Rockefeller Center to find heavy smoke on the 7th floor of a 70-story office building. After about 10 minutes, we finally found the fire. It was on the 10th floor. The call quickly went to a 5th alarm. It's critical that you verify the location before you commit the hose line. Evacuating occupants of a high-rise in a controlled manner is a multi-phase affair. You want to avoid evacuating all floors at once, as this will overload stairwells and lobbies. First, evacuate the people in immediate danger. Initially, this is only those on the fire floor and the floor directly above. All remaining floors above the fire must also be searched, however. Try to prevent panic. Panicked, uncontrolled evacuation can result in people falling downstairs, being trampled, and a chaotic lobby full of people trying to get out while others are trying to get in to find out what's happening. Gain control of the building's elevator and HVAC systems, and make sure the fire pumps are working to provide pressure to standpipe and sprinkler systems. Put the elevators under fire service control and bring them all to the lobby. Search them to make sure no one is unconscious inside. Turn off the HVAC system to help prevent smoke from being spread to other floors through air ducts. And of course, contain and extinguish the fire. High-rise building fires require multiple control sectors and extra coordination to accomplish proper ventilation, transport equipment up many flights of stairs, provide relief personnel, and monitor all the communications needed in these very complex situations.